Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. We did a glitter cut crease with a glossy lip, the perfect combo. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and without further ado, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with the eyes first. I'm just going to take this Maybelline concealer in the shade Ivory and just prime the lids. I'll take my Beauty Blender and just blend it out. Then I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Nude Medium eyeshadow palettes. Looks like that. Super gorgeous. And even the packaging is so stunning. Wow. So first I'm going to start off by applying this shade over here all over the crease just to kind of get some color in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna take another blending brush and take this shade over here and just blend that through just to give our eye a little bit more of a depth. And I'm just going to focus this only on the crease. I'm not going to really drag it up. I'm just going to only focus it on the crease area. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with this middle shade. It's like a very nice coppery shade. And what I'm going to do with this is kind of apply it in the inner corner, starting from the inner corner, and then just kind of making my way to the middle and just kind of stopping it right there. So I'm not going to go in with any concealer and cut the crease or anything. I'm just going to create that effect using the shadow and really being very precise and really getting in there and really doing that rounded off type of look. I'm gonna move on to kind of deepening up the outer portion. So I'm just gonna go into this dark chocolate shade and just kind of apply this here. I'm just gonna create like that winged out effect using the brush. I'm gonna blend that out. So now I'm just gonna apply some glitter just to kind of vamp up everything. I'm gonna be using the MAC glitter in the shade Copper. Looks like that. Super gorgeous. As always, I'm just gonna go in with the NYX glitter glue. So I don't want that glitter to be like chunky and just there. Like I want the shadow to peek through. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to take this Real Techniques base shadow brush and I'm literally just going to take that glitter glue and kind of like spread this around and kind of just dab it out all over. Okay, so I'm just going to flip over the brush and just pick up some glitter and just pop some on. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so now that I have applied the glitter on, I'm just going to go in with the ABH liquid liner. Looks like that. I'm going to create a very small line. That's what I always say, but then we always go cray-cray, you know? Just can't do anything about it. Okay, so now that we have the liner down, I'm going to now apply some lashes. I'm gonna first apply some mascara though. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Falsies mascara and just apply a light coat. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Sephora Collections Brush Tip Lash Adhesive. Looks like that. With the Lily Lashes, it's Lit Lash. Looks like that. I'm so excited to use these because I feel like these are like the perfect lashes for a look like this. Yes, look at that. I'm just gonna stop talking and apply these. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna now apply some concealer. And as always, I'm just going to go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Honey. And just apply this. I'm just going to blend this out. Next up, to bring some life back into our skin, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Truffle. So next I'm just going to set my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I love snatching my nose up, so as always I'm just going to apply some powder to the sides of my nose. And then also right below where we contour to really chisel that out. For brows, I'm just going to go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 5 and just go over the hairs. And to further define the brow, I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas. So to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to go back in with the palette and go to that shade and just kind of buff that on the bottom lash line. Then I'm just going to take the dark shade over here and kind of just focus that on the very outer corner of the bottom lash line. Now I'm just going to take a black liner and just kind of apply this to my bottom waterline, just in the corner. I don't want to bring it all the way in. I just kind of want to blend that line in a bit, like to not make it look so harsh. And then I'm just going to go in with some mascara on my bottom lashes. Next I'm just going to take this Bobbi Brown blush in the shade Tawny. Looks like that. Just kind of apply this to the cheeks. Guys, we are almost done this look. Next up, I'm just going to take this Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Spray. Spray this all over my face. Pretty much drench myself, but who's judging? Until that soaks into my skin, I'm going to move on to lips now. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with the KYLIE Cosmetics Ginger Lip Liner and just line my lips. After that, I'm just going to go in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Whirl. I mean, you can leave it at matte, but I'm going to go with the gloss, and I'm going to use the KYLIE Cosmetics gloss in the shade Light. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm just going to go in with this MAC Whisper of Guilt. I don't have to really explain highlighters because it just does the job for me, you know? Just love it. Love it. To finish off everything, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Fix Plus now and just set my face. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I love creating this because I just love glitter. Anything glitter, I'm there. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. And as always, check out my Instagram right over here. I post pretty frequently there, so yeah, just check me out there and let's become friends. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys to the moon and back. And yeah, see you very soon.